Hello, my name is Dr. Renee Martin-Nagle, and I'm a Pitt Law grad from way back in 1984. And I was in the very first class that Professor Ron Brandt taught in 1982, which was Estates and Trusts. But even then, he had a passion for international law, and he taught international private law, which was in the form of international business transactions. And he sure hooked me on a fascination with cross-border transactions. I went on to spend 25 years working for French-based companies in aviation, 4 years with Aerospatiale Helicopter and 21 years as general counsel of Airbus Americas. Most of my work was domestic, but there were a lot of cross-border transactions, and I became increasingly fascinated by the whole area. And in the meantime, Professor Brand formed the Center for International Legal Education, which is celebrating its 25th anniversary. Well done. You have impacted so many lives. Mine was just an early one, but there have been thousands who have come through the doors of Pitt and have been exposed to lots of different topics and issues in international law. I left Airbus in 2011 and became a scholar, a legal scholar for 10 years. And I ended up getting a PhD in water law in Glasgow, Scotland. So, my little flame was lit way back in 1982 by Professor Brand and has continued all these years later. And I know that there are lots of stories like mine. So thanks for what you've done for my life. Thanks for what you do for all of us. And congratulations again.